Here is a multi-tool pen set. This 9-in-1 multi-tool pen is a cool gadget for men and anyone who likes functionality out of simple things like a pen. The multifunction tool pen comes with 9 very handy functions: twist ballpoint pen, ruler, screwdriver, flat and phillips, a bottle opener, can act as a phone holder, stylus, level, LED flashlight. This cool gadget for men and anybody who likes a functioning tool along with a pen is a unique gift. And also comes with 3 replacement batteries for the LED flashlight. The pen action is very smooth and it comes with 3 extra black ink refills. They are durable and easy to install, guaranteeing the reusability of the pen. This 9-in-1 tool pen is made of super strong aluminum material and can be used for a long time. It can even be used for self-defense if needed. This has a 30-day money-back guaranteed, a 12-month product replacement warranty, and friendly customer service. This is a handy item to carry around with you at work, keep in the car, or, like we said before, a great gift idea.